Thomas Shelby once said,
Lies travel faster than the truth. There is no such thing as loyalty. It's just a word people use to make themselves feel better. Those of you who are last will soon be first. Those of you who are downtrodden will rise. There is only one thing that's more dangerous than a cornered animal, and that's the man who's cornered him. When you plan something well, there is no need to rush. Learning is a gift, even when pain is your teacher. Never assume that loud is strong and quiet is weak, as the fiercest storms rise from the calmest seas. Be dangerous. You can't have ambition and survive without being a little dangerous. If you've gotten this far, congratulations. Send this to a friend who needs the motivation.